Good morning all of you. This is the video number 3 of chapter number 5 English Grammar Articles. And in this video children we are going to solve all the exercises in this chapter. So please write down all the answers in your books children with a pencil. Exercise A. In each of these sentences one article is missing. Place a slash where the article must be placed. Then fill in the blank with the missing article. Okay children, the first question, I saw ocean for the first time last year. We always say the ocean. So please place a slash and write in the blank the. I saw the ocean for the first time last year. Now going to the next question on the page number 37. Do you have to wear slash uniform to school every day? Children, before uniform we will write a. Why? Children, if you will ask why ma'am, it is you, it is a vowel. Why are you putting a, not an? Children, I told you if it is a vowel but sounding as a consonant, we have to write a. Okay, so it's uniform, it's sounding y-u, so I will write a. Okay, do you have to wear a uniform to school every day? Now going to the next question children. Nile is the longest river in Africa. The Nile, we say the Nile is the longest river in Africa. Coming to the next question. Zend Avesta is the holy book of Zoroastrians, of the Zoroastrians children. The Indian, the African, we have already said no. That's why I am writing here the Zoroastrians. It is honor to have met the president. It is an honor children. Again, it is a consonant but sounding as a vowel. So I have written an. Okay. Now children, we'll go to the exercise B on the same page. Rewrite these sentences carefully. Correctly. The first question is, the iron rusts easily. We cannot say the iron children. Only we'll say iron rusts easily. Full stop. We reached home late in afternoon. We reached home late in the afternoon. Okay. It is a particular time of the day. I saw Taj Mahal for first time yesterday. Children, I saw the Taj Mahal for the first time yesterday. Before Taj Mahal, we write the, and before ordinal numbers also we write the. The second award or the second place goes to, like this we say, I saw the Taj Mahal for the first time yesterday. The football is an exciting game. Children, before the sport we cannot write the, so we will start with start the sentence with football is an exciting game. I had the breakfast before I came to school. We cannot write an article or the in just before a meal. So breakfast is a meal. We cannot write the. How will write children? I had breakfast before I came to school. I hope children everybody is writing the answers in their books. Let's go to the other page. Yes children, this is the next page, page number 38. Let's perfect it. Fill in the articles wherever necessary. Put a cross where it is not required. I enjoy listening to a number of programs on the radio. He telephoned the agent who was listed in the directory. Dash Mount Everest. We cannot write any article children. That's why I put a cross there. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak. It's a superlative degree. Highest is the superlative degree children. So I have put the in front of highest. Ibrahim carried an an umbrella to school every day. He got a job in the best restaurant in town. The children watched a film yesterday, because film is not specified children, a film, that's why. They asked him the most difficult question. Children, again, most we write in the superlative degree, that's why I'm writing the here. He requested dash early reply to his letter. There is no article here. He requested early reply to his letter. She might go to a school in England. A school, children, because school is not specified to the particular school. So it's any school, we are writing a. She wanted to have a good meal. Look at the blue sky. Mathura is a holy city. Okay, now we'll go to the next question. Composition, children. Fill in the blanks using articles, then complete the story with ideas of your own in your notebook. Children, the notebook thing we are not doing here. Just fill in the blanks using articles. Once upon a time, in a faraway forest, there lived a ferocious dragon who killed animals for pleasure. The animals of the forest made a bargain with the dragon. They agreed that each day one animal would willingly come to the dragon's lair to be his supper. One day, it was an anteater's turn to go. The anteater crept along slowly, all the while thinking what to do. "Why are you late?" the dragon roared when the anteater arrived. "I'm late because of the other dragon," said the anteater. "In my jungle. Take me to this other dragon." The anteater led the dragon to a deep well and told him to look in. Children, please do all these exercises in your grammar books and revise, children. And now you will all put the correct article when you are speaking in English. Okay? Thank you, children. Thank you for watching.